Hi guys, welcome back. I'm really happy you're here. If you're new to the channel, just tap that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the good stuff. All right, enough of me talking. Let's get into today's video.
So welcome to the channel once again. Let's dive in on today's topic. Firstly, you are going to open your Facebook application. So after that, you will click on this icon at the top here, this 3 button icon. Click on it. After that, you are going to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Then you will click on setting. After you've clicked on setting, this is your setting and privacy dashboard. You are going to scroll down and look for this particular setting here, how people can find and contact you. You will look for the setting here, how people can find and contact you. You click on it. So on this page, you have the dashboard that who can send you friend request, which is everyone. You can also set and adjust that who can see your friend list, which is what we are here for. As you can see, it's in public. So and all other setting, they are here. So let's work on who can see your friend list. Let's click on that. Now the default setting is public. You can change it to friends. Only your friends on Facebook are going to see your friend list. You can change it to friend except. You can exclude some friends from seeing your friend list. You can change it to specific friends. Only some specific set of friends can see your friend list, and you can only change it to only me, so that it will only be only you that can see your friend list on Facebook. So let's set that. Let me click on only me. So after that, we click on save here. As you can see, who can see your friend list has changed to only me. So that is how to set it. There's no much work here. Just follow the basic settings here and you are done with it. So that's it. Thank you.